Welcome to the video and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will be looking at circles. Specifically, the topic is circles, but the subtopic would be how to calculate the circumference of a given circle, given the diameter. All right? All right, so the first thing that we're going to draw is a given circle, right? So here's my center. All right, we're going to draw a circle. We're going to draw a circle. We're going to make the radius equal to 100 millimeters. Good. All right. So having drawn the circle, the next step is to draw a line from center O equal to the radius, but the angle will be 60 degrees to the horizontal or 30 degrees to the vertical y-axis. All right, so let us go now. So the length of the line would be 100. The angle would be 60. Good, there's the line. All right, the next step is to draw a horizontal line to intersect the center line. So I'm going to need my center line. All right, so I've drawn my center line. All right, so having drawn the 30-degree angle to the vertical y-axis, I'm going to draw a horizontal line from where the 30-degree line intersect the circle. I'm going to draw a horizontal line to intersect the center line. Enter. All right. Good so far? Good job. All right. The next step is to draw a line from here going towards the right of the screen, and the length of this line will be equal to 3 times diameter, right? All right, so we're going to draw a construction line from the base of the circle, which should be long enough so that you can mark off with your compass 3 distances for the diameter along this line. Is that understood? Good job. All right, so here I've marked the first arc, which is equal to the diameter of the circle, right? So we need 3 of them, so this is the first one. Or here's the second arc from the previous one which was marked. And here is our third mark representing 3 of the distance of the diameter of the circle. Or the next step is to join from there, that previous line that we drew, to the third distance, and this distance will be the given circumference for the circle. All right, so let us check it. There I have a diameter of 200 millimeters. What would be the circumference? Calculate it and then I will check and see if you got my answer, okay? All right, so this distance is a circumference. All right, so this distance is a circumference. All right, so here's the finished drawing. How to calculate the circumference of a circle given the diameter. So you would realize that we didn't use a calculator, we didn't use a formula per se, and we didn't use any calculator at all. We just use a simple geometrical um, mathematical principle to find the circumference of the circle. Did you get the same circumference when you work it out by yourself? If you did, good job. So that brings us to the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for visiting the channel. And good job if you were able to complete the drawing. And in the next video, we'll be looking at cycloid. How does a point on a circle move as it rolls along a straight line? Bye. See you in the next video.